I have a pet. It is a dog, and I call it Snowy. Snowy is a Chinese breed. It is small, fluffy, and cute. It has thick white fur. When I cuddle it, the fur feels soft. Snowy does not like bones. Every day, it eats soft food like steamed rice, fish, or bread. Every morning, I give her milk and bread. When I am at school, Snowy plays with my cat. They get along well and never fight. Maybe because Snowy does not bark a lot. It treats the other animals in our house gently, and it never bites shoes. We always spend time together at home. We do many activities, playing balls, hide and seek in the backyard. In the afternoon, I usually take her for a walk. People love to see Snowy. Snowy is really a sweet and friendly pet. I have a pet. I artinya saya, have artinya punya, a pet, a artinya seekor, pet hewan peliharaan. I have a pet. Saya punya seekor hewan peliharaan. It is a dog. It artinya itu, maksudnya hewan peliharaan itu. Is adalah a dog, seekor anjing. And artinya dan, I saya, call memanggil, it-nya, call it memanggilnya, it di sini maksudnya hewan peliharaan. Snowy, Snowy, and I call it Snowy, dan saya memanggilnya Snowy. Snowy is a Chinese breed. Snowy, masih Snowy, is adalah a Chinese breed. Chinese, Cina, breed, keturunan. Chinese breed, keturunan Cina. It is small. It ini mengacu pada Snowy. Snowy is tidak saya artikan. Snowy is small, small kecil. Fluffy berbulu halus, and cute, and dan cute imut atau manis. Cute imut. It is small. Snowy berukuran kecil, fluffy berbulu halus, and cute dan imut. It has thick white fur. It mengacu pada Snowy. Has artinya punya, thick tebal, white putih, fur bulu. It has thick white fur. Saya terjemahkan, Snowy mempunyai bulu putih yang tebal. When I cuddle it, when ketika saya cuddle, kalau saya lihat di kamus, cuddle artinya mengemong. It artinya nyah. When I cuddle it, ketika saya mengemongnya. Nyah ini mengacu pada Snowy. The fur feels soft. The fur bulunya, the fur bulunya feels terasa soft, halus atau lembut. Snowy does not like bones. Snowy, masih Snowy, does not, tidak, like, suka, bones, tulang. Every day, every, setiap, day, hari, every day, setiap hari. It eats soft food. It, ini mengacu pada Snowy. It eats, Snowy, eats, makan, soft food. Food, makanan, soft, lembut atau empuk. Soft food, makanan lembut. Like, artinya seperti. Steamed rice. Steamed rice, steam, kukus, rice, nasi. Steamed rice, nasi yang dikukus. Fish artinya ikan, or atau bread, roti. Every morning, every artinya setiap, morning, pagi. Saya, give, memberi her, dia di sini kembali kepada Snowy. Milk and bread, milk artinya susu, and dan bread, roti. When I am at school, when ketika, saya, am tidak saya artikan, at school, at di school, sekolah. When I am at school, ketika saya di sekolah. Snowy plays with my cat. Snowy artinya masih Snowy, plays bermain, with dengan my cat, my saya, cat kucing, my cat kucing saya atau kucingku. They get along well. They, mereka di sini Snowy dan kucing. Snowy dan kucing. Get along, akrab. They get along, mereka akrab. Well, mereka akrab. They get along well. Saya terjemahkan, mereka akrab betul. And never fight, and dan never, tidak pernah fight, berkelahi. Maybe because Snowy does not bark. Maybe, mungkin, because karena Snowy does not, tidak, bark, menggonggong, lot, banyak. Snowy does not bark a lot. Saya terjemahkan, Snowy tidak banyak menggonggong. It treats the other animals in our house gently. It mengacu pada Snowy. Snowy treats artinya memperlakukan. The other animals, other yang lain, animals binatang. The other animals, binatang yang lain. In our house, in di our house. Our kita, house rumah. Our house rumah kita. Gently dengan lembut. And it never bites shoes. And dan it mengacu pada Snowy. Snowy never, tidak pernah, bites, menggigit, shoes, sepatu. We always spend time together at home. We, kita, always, selalu, spend time, menghabiskan time, waktu, together, bersama, at home, at di home, rumah. We do many activities. We kita do melakukan many banyak activities aktivitas atau kegiatan. Playing balls, playing bermain balls bola, hide and seek petak umpet, in the backyard in the backyard halaman belakang. In the afternoon in the afternoon sore hari. Saya usually biasanya take her mengajak mengajak dia atau mengajaknya for walk jalan-jalan. People love to see snowy. Orang-orang suka to see melihat snowy. Snowy is a sweet and friendly pet. Snowy is tidak saya artikan, really benar-benar, sweet manis, and dan friendly ramah pet hewan peliharaan. Snowy is a sweet and friendly pet. Saya artikan, saya terjemahkan. Snowy benar-benar hewan peliharaan yang manis dan ramah.